What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the newest addition to the Rockslim series of speakers. We're looking at the Rockslim 70B and the Rockslim 70W. Now these are a pair of 5¼ inch 70 volt thin wall speakers that are perfect for your commercial applications like a bar, a restaurant, event halls, or stores, or even perfect in your personal use in your home, whether it's in your living room, your kitchen, your bedroom, or your bathroom. It's available in two different colors of black and white. I have the white one here, so let me open this up and show you what's inside. Take it out. I have the two speakers here. It comes with speaker wire. Now this is pretty cool. It comes with a tool. So this is the tool that allows you to pull the grill off. Oh, and cool, it comes with two screws which allow you to mount it to the wall. On the back of the Rockslim, it mounts super easy. It hangs like a picture. So on the back you see your hanging bracket, and you can see it's as easy as hanging it like this. And that's actually how the speaker would hang. Look at that. It looks like art. Now the Rockslims sound as good as they look, and part of the reasons they do is because it's a two-way configuration where you have the 5¼ inch woofer handling the low end and the mids, and the 1/2 inch Mylar dome tweeter taking care of the high end. Now before I go ahead and play something, let's talk about 70 volt. So we have a great video on our YouTube channel called What is 70 volts, where we go over all the things like wiring, the advantages, and how easy it is to use 70 volt. Since the Rockslim are a pair of 70 volt speakers, I want to show you something called a 70 volt tap. Now what a tap does is it allows you to change the amount of watts you are drawing from your amplifier to your speaker. In this case, I have two different configurations I could tap this specific speaker at. 8 watts or 4 watts. If you tap it at 4 watts, you put your black speaker wire here and your red speaker wire here. If you tap it at 8 watts, you put your black speaker wire here and your red speaker wire over here. Now these taps are just saying that if I have it tapped with 8 watts, it's only pulling 8 watts from the amplifier to the speaker. And if I have it tapped at 4 watts, it's only pulling 4 watts from the amplifier to this speaker. And from the terminal on your speaker, it's very easy going to the next speaker. It's all parallel wiring, which means you're just going from positive to positive and negative to negative. You can mix different 70 volt speakers. So I could have 10 wall speakers, all 70 volt, and I could have it with 10 ceiling speakers. And you can mix between brands as long as they are all 70 volts capable. All right, so I have these 6 Rockslims all tapped to 4 watts, which is a total of 24 watts being drawn from the amplifier. Let's see what that sounds like. Wow. That's a lot of bass. I'm attributing that to the 5¼ inch woofer. And honestly, I know you were probably thinking 4 watts each. That's not loud, but I'm literally screaming right now. All right, so that was 4 watts. I'm going to now tap all of these at 8 watts, and then let's listen to what that sounds like. That's pretty loud, yeah. It sounds really good. 4 watts, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it was filling up this entire room. And then when I tapped it at 8 watts, it sounded even louder. 70 volt speakers are still the #1 choice when you need to put a lot of speakers in a large space. So hopefully from this video, you can see that the Rockslim series of speakers really enhance the decor of any room that you put them in, while also enhancing the sound of your 70 volt setup. So if you are looking for a pair of sleek, modern, and powerful two-way 5¼ inch 70 volt speakers for your commercial or personal use, look no further than the Rockslim 70B and the Rockslim 70W from Rockville. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always guys, I am Mike from Rockville. I will see you next time.